Oh, I'm sorry, Bowie. Is that light a little bright? Did I turn on a bright light, honey? Is it too bright for you, Bowie? Yeah? Joey John? You want me to turn the light off, dear? Is it bothering you, dear? Hi, Pickle. Oh, there's my Bolly. She's so pretty, Bolly. Is there any room for me on the bed? Okay, yeah. Is that light bothering you, dear? Do you want me to turn it off? Oh, is it that bad? Oh, I'll turn it off, okay? Ready, Bowie? Is that better, dear? Is that better? Is it? The light's off, honey. Honey, the light's off. Oh, you just don't want to look at me? Yes, Pickles, I know you're there, honey. Bowie, is that better? The light's off, dear. Pickles. So jealous. All the time. Jealous kids. Belly. Hey. Hey, Belly. The light's off now, Belle. You're so cute. You're my little pumpkin. You're shaped just like one a pumpkin. We need to do your butt tomorrow. It's butt cleaning day tomorrow. You're too fat to wipe your own butt. I know you don't like it, and I don't like it either. But it's gonna be done. Right, Bowie? How's Bowie's butt? Bowie butt clean? Yeah, Bowie got clean butt. Hi, Bowie. Sweetie. Alright, it's bedtime. Is there any room for me on the bed? Hey, Dolly. Guess who's gonna move off my pillow? Guess who it is? I bet you can guess. Hi, Paddington. That's my spot, buddy. You know that. So, I'm kicking you out.